Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both content and image. Pick a QR generator that supports images and lets you change error correction. This matters. Prepare a high-contrast PNG or SVG, crop to a simple centered subject, and export at 300-600 pixels. Enter the QR payload now, URL, vCard, or Wi-Fi details, and generate a baseline QR without the image first. This gives you a working scan reference to compare after you add the picture, so you'll know when adjustments are needed. Once done with the baseline, upload your image and position it where it covers the fewest modules. Center is common because many readers tolerate central logos. Make sure to raise error correction to around 20%, 30% M or H, so the code can heal missing data. Then scale the image down until scanners consistently read the code. Reduce opacity slightly or add a light padding box behind the logo to preserve contrast. Test during each change to track how positioning affects reliability. Finish by exporting the QR in the right format, PNG for screens, SVG or high-res PNG for print, and keep editable files. Test the code across several phones and scanner apps, from screen and printed versions, and at typical viewing distances. If scanners fail, make targeted fixes. Reduce the image size, increase error correction, or add a white background behind the image to restore module contrast. One key troubleshooting tip: increasing error correction or adding padding usually resolves most readability issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.